Okay, so here we have a Samsung panel that's actually dead. It's a 60-inch. And this panel here, there's several of these different layers. The first layer, you see all these tabs right here? These are the actual controllers, the wires that go into this actual panel and tell the little LEDs what to do here, all right? And then there's three different layers. There's first there's this layer. Okay, and then you have these different layers here. As you can see, the one plastic is translucent, the other one has like a mirror finish on it, so they're letting the light through and not backwards, if you get what I'm saying. So now the difference with this one is this is what they call a backlit panel. And if you see all these little knobs here, they're actually, all of them are actual LED bulbs, every one of them. Okay, then you have temperature fittings here. Anyway, when you take one of these apart, you pop this off and you can see the diffused pattern on there. If you look close, you can see the actual LED little tiny lamp on there. Okay, so this TV is actually halfway decent. So you get the light emitting forward and going through three different panels. So first is that panel. It's this reflective panel which the light goes through and can't go back, as you can see here, and that plastic one there. Then it shines through the actual LCD panel itself and turns on and off the colors that it needs. These little wires, one tab has like 100 wires in it, so when it goes in, it's actually a lot wider. It's like 3 to 4 inches wide, so every tab has a very long setup there, as you can see. So now this is what they call a decent TV. Other panels, if they're cheaper, they're going to be side lit. They'll only have a light bulb in the actual one long bulb in the side and on the other side. And some TVs will be top lit and bottom lit, obviously, will be here and over here. And they'll have the same layers, the same thing, but not these little bulbs. Okay, so this is the upgraded model, and this is the better one, even though it's fairly cheap. Cheap TVs nowadays, you know, this is a 4K, and you can probably get this 60-inch for, I don't even know, maybe $700 nowadays. But hope that helps you guys out understand what's going on with these different films. As you can see, I took out the main film. That's the first one. Then you got a reflective one, won't let the light back in. And then you have another one. It disperses light in different ways, each one of these layers. And it tricks the LCD into thinking that these little bulbs are a giant light bulb in the back. Okay, so I hope that helped you guys out. Have a good one.